Hi, welcome to the Basic English. In today's episode, I have a new phrase for you. Arduous. Do you know what does it mean? Let's find out what does it mean and how we can use it in our daily conversation. Arduous, which basically means to do something that requires great physical and mental effort. অথবা আমরা বলতে পারি শ্রমসাধ্য এবং কষ্টসাধ্য কোনো কাজ। Let's look at some example for better understanding. Example 1. Complete the syllabus one day before exam is really arduous. Example 2. Sometimes it seems that learning English is really arduous. Example 3. You have to stick it arduously for achieving success. Example 4. Clearing up the entire house after the party is an arduous task. The last one we have, making animation video for basic English is really arduous.